You wait there until the music starts. La la la. Don't make me sing it. Go forward.
Now go forward.
La 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 la. Today, Aberbargoed and Ysgol Sannan, both schools, are coming to Parc Darran in this amphitheatre. So there's a ball behind and then there's the seating area in front. They are taking part in Ballet Cymru's Cinderella performance. So they are taking on characters of birds, people at the fair. One of the children is little Cinderella. So they're really stuck in the ballet, they're part of the story. And it just makes the ballet so much fuller. It's been wonderful to have them. Some of the children weren't sure what it was going to be about. They were saying, oh no, I'm not going to do that. And then actually from day one, once we were in with them and they were seeing what they were able to do, it completely changed. The next day they came in and they said, yes, we're doing it. Yes, we really want to do it. And some of them are really shining, whereas it wasn't expected, or they don't have that chance in other aspects of their education in school. But this is a project that they can really go for and really shine at.
Because I was a boy, I just didn't like ballet. I just thought it was like dancing and then it's like just girly stuff. But now I just got into it, just like it just feels way better than before.
Ballet Cymru are all about trying to take ballet into places that wouldn't normally get the opportunity to access it. And I think that's our driving factor in trying to just get new audiences and new participants into ballet and dance and the arts. So when they work with us, you know, they're learning dance skill and ballet skill, of course, but we're also interested in cultivating their other skills.
Roedd fi'n mynd I dance shop pryd oedd fi'n ifanca. Roedd fi jyst wedi stopio. Ni wedi bod yn chwarae offerynnau gwahanol. Yn plant harddwr tu allan, ond ar y tu fewn mae'n mwynhaol iawn.
We've added a bilingual element to the production this year. We've got some narration. There's also some bilingual translation in our actual recorded version of Cinderella as well. So, yeah, trying to get more involved with the Welsh language and how we can incorporate that into our mainstream productions.
5, 6, 7, 8. Tree! In and tree. Yeah, tree. In, down.
Before they come in, I thought it was just boring old dancing, but it's not just about dancing, it's about taking part and having fun. I thought it was boring before because I just thought that it was just graceful dancing, but now I think it's awesome.
And 2, and 3.
Once again, it's been fantastic working with Ballet Cymru because the enthusiasm they bring to working with our children is just tremendous, and it just sweeps and permeates through the school, to be honest. When they came in on Monday morning, and I had the Monday morning blues, and you walk into the workshop and you cannot help but get carried along with the enthusiasm and the energy of the dancers, which is passed through to the children, our learners. It's just tremendous, really, really, really great.
Well, when I was a boy, I thought, well, it's several sports for me to do, but then Ballet Cymru come to my school and I was like, why didn't I ever try this? He was like, and then I tried it and it was actually quite good.
One of the things that has been so good for us is it just breaks down sort of stereotypes and boundaries and helps broaden our horizons for the children and for the community at large. Our children write on their school reports, and one of the things that was coming up time and time again was the desire to be dancers or musicians or technicians or cameramen and women or sound engineers. It was really, really interesting to see that side of things, coming out in the children's aspirations.